Welcome to my channel. In this video we will make a tour through my workbench. Now we begin with this OLED eMac. This eMac is used only for editing video. I use this OLED cut phone for its thermal camera to detect some fault in the PCB. This workbench is used to make a repair for some stuff like PCB or electronic board. I use this Fujifilm Finepix SL1000 camera. It has a 16 megapixel and 50 times zoom. Sometimes I use my homemade scope. You will find the video how to make a microscope in this channel. Here we can find some drawer for using some different component. This binocular is used to make some repair or to diagnose a small PCB like SMD component. For lighting I use those projector, this one and the other one. This is the power supply used for repair. It's a entry level one, not a high end one. It was modified to get more current. This PC is used for Arduino programming or to download some datasheet. This bench is used here to make some electronic repair or experiment. I have here 4 analog scope, Tektronix 2225. This is Pintake 20 MHz. Maybe this one will be repaired in the video. This one or this one, I will check. This one is repaired. I have 2 videos about repairing this one. This is function normally. This is a Hameg 35 MHz. I have here a functional generator. It's from the model Tabor, 50 MHz functional generator. This is a frequency counter from the company Rakaldana. This small one also is a frequency counter. This one is used for high frequency to measure the power and the reflected power. This is another power supply. This is universal charger to charge the small nickel lithium battery. This is a digital scope. It's a Rigol DS1105. Maybe this scope will be moved to the other bench, but before that I will protect the screen. It's not a touch screen. I will cut small glass here and it will be fixed here to protect the screen from the soldering iron or another sharp object. This camera also, sometimes I use this one to film video. Here we can find a bunch of OLED meter. Here we can find some component. This is the small scope. This is the fuse box. This is the Fluke 115. It's used for repair. This is the watt meter to measure the power consumption of the stuff. And this box is full of screw driver. This is the soldering iron used. It's also from GBC or Weller. I didn't. It's not marked. And also I have a small GBC soldering iron here. 2 of them. this board will be repaired. It has a problem with the reception with the RF part. This small tester is used for testing component. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.